KPK police is also very helpful. They make sure you are in a safe environment. So I'm Florence, I'm from Belgium, and I'm traveling alone with my cycle. I'm crossing Asia from east to west. So I started in Southeast Asia, in Thailand, Laos, Vietnam. After I cycled 3 months in India, and now I'm in Pakistan since 3 weeks already. Everything is very good here. It's a safe country, at least until now I had no problems. And the people, Pakistani people, are very nice and very helpful. They respect a lot foreigners, and you will feel very good if you come to travel here. And KPK police is also very helpful. They make sure you are in a safe environment and you don't need anything, but they also let me cycle alone on my own without escorting me, so that was very nice. And now I'm going to Babu Sarpas, to Chilas, and then maybe to Hunza Valley.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.